I see it. Red carpet everywhere that you go. Talking so smooth, carry on the road. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that.
India's first certified sustainable luggage brand. Uppercase, never ordinary.